This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, December the 30th, 2012. Now, our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At noon today, we have a storm moving out of the northeast into the Canadian Maritimes, another with a trough axis off to our west, a fairly deep trough at that. And that'll be bringing a little bit of snow activity to our west, scattered into the mountains. But it's going to be bringing some southerly winds here today, highs in the 20s to lower 30s. But enjoy that while it lasts, because Monday, here comes high pressure from the north and west. The storm system will be scooting just to our south, could bring some clouds and maybe some snow in the far southeastern counties, but don't expect a lot there because it's going to be moving off to the east. And here comes the dump of cold air. Highs down into the single digits and teens, lows well below zero, maybe in the teens below zero too, especially here Wednesday morning. Wednesday during the day, be sunny but very cold, highs around 10, maybe 12 if you're lucky. And this even continues to Thursday. Still have high pressure overhead. Temperatures don't really recover. Highs mainly in the upper single digits to lower to middle teens. Lows near or below zero. And by Friday, we'll start to see the wind switch around to the west, so temperatures will moderate back into at least the 20s for highs, lows above zero by this point, but still remaining quite dry this week heading into the new year. Saturday still remaining a little bit below average to close to seasonal average, highs in the 20s, lows in the single digits. Still clear, still sunny. And we head to a week from today, next Sunday. We have some energy moving from the west, but it's not very well organized. A trough axis over the mountains down into the desert southwest. And with that, there could be a little bit of snow in Colorado, Wyoming, and Utah, but that's not here, and it's still dry around here with seasonal readings likely in the 20s. A couple days later here on January 10th, as we head into Voodoo, we have a trough digging in through the north and northwest once again. Energy moving into Southern California, but it's that trough to the northwest that's just pooling cold air. That looks like an Arctic outbreak there. Some snow breaking out from Minnesota and North Dakota west and southwestward from there. That may sweep in a day later or so. But at the end of the forecast on the 14th, we have three vortexes, one over the Canadian Maritimes, one over southwestern Canada, another one over the Yukon. And this means that temperatures will be, reasonably seasonal, highs in the 20s, maybe nearing 30 with a big storm developing off to our west that could bring some interesting weather at mid-month. Last night's satellite image was fairly quiet across the country. We had one storm system moving out of New England into the Canadian Maritimes. Few clouds with the next storm system that'll come through later today, albeit dry, and another storm moving in with some moisture over the southwest. The watch warning map from last evening, some winter weather issues over New England, some winter weather issues over the Appalachians, some winter weather advisories in the Rockies and in Nevada, and some freeze watches and warnings along the Gulf Coast. Elsewhere, it's quiet. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 6 o'clock, showing nothing around here. That's to be expected, with nothing for quite a while. Most of the rain through Texas along the Gulf Coast to the mid-Atlantic.